so nice in the morning because it vibrates, so it's literally like a face massage. Like, and they have the H. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylaharnae. Hey, hi, how you doing? So today, well this morning, I don't know if you can tell, but I just woke up. We're gonna be doing my morning skincare routine slash how I prep my skin for makeup. I should have been filmed this like ages ago, but here we are today. I'm currently in the process of like just, I guess, kind of like trying different things. I don't really have anything in particular. I mean, I guess I have, you'll see, but what I'm trying to say is like, I don't know. I'm still like trying to perfect my routine, if that makes sense. First, I'm going to talk about this spin brush by Duvolle. They actually sent me this. It's a little thingy, but if you remember a skincare video like last year, 2019, this brush I talked about, and it's from the same company, so you can still use my coupon code for either one, which I'll tell you all about that in a second. First, just to give you some key points about this, this is called the Sonic facial brush. So it actually has 4 different cleaning modes, and the vibration frequency can reach 6,000 to 12,000 times per minute. The low frequency impulse can promote blood circulation in the wrinkle prone area and help restore skin firmness and elasticity. So basically like the T-zone area, places where you like, if you're like me and you make faces, you know. So yeah, it keeps it nice and right and tight. Of course it removes dirt, grease, residue, and it's made with food grade silicone. It's so easy to clean up. After I'm done using it, I just rinse it under water and I just like go in between the little silicone bristles and get any face wash out. And it is waterproof, of course. So yes, it's definitely something I would recommend. And you might be like, how can silicone like clean your skin? But y'all, my skin be feeling so smooth, it be so clean. So yes, just use my code Kaylah and you can get your own for, one second. Okay, so this originally retails for $95, but with my code you can get it for $28.50. So, and that's the same for the other brush. So I'll have that link down below, so make sure you check that out. But let's start washing our face because skin's a little dry. So what I like to do is I like to use my Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream. I've literally been using this face wash since like 2014, like not even kidding. I first just put it on here like this, like that, and then you might think this is weird, but like I spread it around on the thing like that and just go like that, and then I'm gonna put this under some water just to get it wet. You just turn it on like that, there's a button, and then wash your face. And I like to wash my face for 60 seconds. So I count to 30 in my head, and then I wet my face a little bit more, and then count to 30 again, and then boom, clean. And this is so nice in the morning because it vibrates, so it's literally like a face massage. I got a little behind on Vlogmas, y'all, because I didn't pre-film on Sunday, so, but we're not going to do that. We don't have to worry about that no more. Okay, so now I'm going to wet this again and rinse it off a little bit. I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror. I promise there is soap on my face. My face may look red, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna rinse my face off, guys. Okay, so skin is all clean. So now it's time for toner. So first and foremost, can we like talk about how freaking cute? Look at this. They put my name on it, y'all. Is it focus? They put my name on it right here. So freaking cute. Like, and they have the H. Okay, so I'm gonna take my cotton pad, and this is the Pixi Glow Tonic. This is my favorite. The Glow collection by them, the Glow line, is my favorite ever. So honestly, I highly recommend trying out that entire line if you're looking for smooth skincare. But I just take my cotton pad and just I'm gonna pump. They did send me this, but I use this, like I've bought this before, like multiple times. But I'm just gonna put this all over. My skin gets so dry, so like after I wash my face, and then when it like just sits a little bit, and then when I put on the toner, it feels so good. And I just put this all over. Alrighty, so toner's on. So I use a couple serums, y'all. So the first serum I'm using is by Elemis. It's the Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice, super hydrating gel. I don't know, but I like this stuff. And it is a cooling hydrator packed with fruit waters and antioxidant rich kayla. Helps to visibly calm skin, but this always feels good. I use this morning and night, and it's like I'm kind of out of it. But I'm just gonna put a little like that, like that. A lot. That's a lot. And then just rub it in. Now, if I'm doing my makeup right after I wash my face, then I don't do this part yet. I'll tone and then I'll do my eyebrows, because I don't like doing my eyebrows when my face is super slippery, because then the brow pencil will just be moving all around town. I like to put it on my neck and like that. Okay, next, y'all are probably gonna be like, what the heck? Like, what are you doing? But this next product is a pumpkin seed oil. This is 100% pure certified organic pumpkin seed oil. I got this off of Amazon. I originally got this because I saw on Twitter that it helps like keeps your boob firm, but I forgot to like use it all the time. So then I looked it up and I was like, oh, because it says moisturizer for all skin types. So I was like, what like benefits does this have on the face? And it's just a super hydrating product. It's good. It has omega-3, omega-6, vitamin A, C, zinc, and it rejuvenates the skin and repairs cells from damaged skin. Pumpkin seeds are believed to have healing purposes. That's what's on the bottle. But it just looks like that. It's kind of dark. But I just take a pump of that, nice amount, rub this all in. This kind of works as one of my moisturizers. And then I'll just put this all over. And it's kind of thick, but you don't feel greasy, you know? Like you just feel good. And it was like $12 off Amazon. Oh, I got it on my shirt. Okay, so next, I don't use this all the time, but this is a Skin Gem face roller, like a jade roller, but it's a rose quartz. And after I do that, sometimes, like depending on how tired I am in the morning, if I just feel like extra poopy, you know, like when you wake up and your just face is like a little puffy, I like to, this feels so good. Like I could fall asleep doing this. And I just like to roll my face. It just gets the blood flowing, skim nice and plump. You can look it up. There's plenty of like benefits for skin rolling. Next, I'm going in with this Pixi Brightening Vitamin C Balancing Priming Oil. Honestly, I don't really, they did send me this too, but I don't know. It is a nice, pretty like oil, so it's good for like under makeup and makeup by itself, but I just use it for extra like moisture. And I just feel like it helps give me like a nice little glow. And I put that all over too. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. I can really go to sleep right now, y'all. Okay, next is this vitamin C infused under eye perfector. It blurs and energizes. So they say you can use this alone or with concealer. It's by their vitamin C line. Using it with a makeup wipe because the packaging like peels and it just gets all over you. But anywho, so it looks like this, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my ring finger and then take my other ring finger. And I do this, I like to put on eye cream before my moisturizer. And then just like underneath. And then the last thing, guys, the last thing is sunscreen. So this is by Differin. This is Differin's moisturizer with SPF 30. This is just what I really want to try, Rihanna. The Fenty Skin SPF moisturizer. I really want to do that one, but this will do. But skincare, no matter of the time of year, no matter what, I use this morning and night. But sunscreen, did I say skincare? But sunscreen is important, guys. It's important. I use this every day. And then when me and my mom started walking every other day, I was like, I'm really outside like every day. Like, I need to protect my skin. Because I'm not gonna lie, I was one of those people, I didn't wear sunscreen. But now I do. And I just, Kwanzaa was like, you smell like if he kisses me, he'd be like, you smell like sunscreen. You taste like sunscreen. But it's always on. Okay. I said that was the last thing, but this is really the last thing. This is there's no name, it just says Peach Pal. It's like a lip tint moisturizer thing, like a lip balm. Everything's gonna be linked down below, guys. But let's put this all over. Okay, I promise this is actually the last thing, some Carmax. Alright, there you have it. My skin is nice and moisturized. We got a little frim, but it's okay. It's okay. But yes, that's my morning skincare routine, how I prep my skin for makeup. And yes, don't forget to use my coupon code Kaylah and try out your own spin brush. I used to like wash my face with just my hands, but no, ever since I switched to a brush, it's like game changer. But yes, guys, I hope you like this video. I'm sure it was pretty short, simple, straight to the point. But anywho, oh, did I say happy Vlogmas Day 8? No, but happy Vlogmas Day 8. And I'll see you tomorrow for Day 9. I'm gonna go put this up for you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that. But I love you. And